Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a new master page and use it to add a title page to each of your instrumental parts here in Dorico, the new music notation software from Steinberg. I have a project here for string quartet, and I'm preparing the parts that the 4 players will perform from. I can select which layout I'm viewing in the Active tab by using this control in the middle of the toolbar. And I can also add more tabs for each of the parts if I want to work that way. I'm in engrave mode, and I add a new master page by clicking this button. I can give it a name, and if it's useful, I can choose an existing master page to copy as a starting point that I can work from. As this is going to be a completely new page layout that bears no relation to the existing master pages, I'll leave this set to none. Finally, I can choose whether I want Dorico to use this new master page in place of the existing first master page, that is used on the first page of every new flow, or the default master page, which is then used for all other music pages. Well, this title page will be neither of those, so I'll keep it as a custom page. I'll press OK, and now this new title master page is available in the list. I'll double-click it to open it in the master page editor. I can now add whatever music, text, and graphics frames that I like, and as this is a title page, I'm going to add a few text frames. I've already set up a few styles to help me format the text. I did that in the paragraph styles dialog, and I'm going to use tokens to substitute in the relevant information from the project. By using the layout name token in the bottom text frame here, I can use it in any of my layouts and the correct instrument part name will be automatically inserted. That's now all filled in how I need it to be. So I'll copy the layout onto the right-hand page to ensure it's available for use regardless of whether the title page is created as a left or right-hander. And then I click this button to close the master page editor. Now we can add the title page to our layouts, and I do that by pressing the Insert Pages button here in the Pages panel action bar. For now, I'll add one page and select our new title master page from the pop-up menu here. And when I press OK, the page is created with all the text we set up using the tokens and styles we defined in the master page. And it's easy to select each of the other layouts and add the new page with the title master page, and you can see all of the correct instrument part names are being picked up. If you found this video helpful, please click on the thumbs up button below to let me know you've liked it, and subscribe to our Dorico channel today to see many more videos like this one. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.